happy, calm, peace, confident. How often do you associate these words with yourself? Modern world or Kali Yuga is dominated by words like ego, mistrust, selfish, disrespect, fear, stress, greed. Oh, so many negatives. Our conscience presents us an endless zeal to grow and evolve, so also exposing us to the negative energy. Hunger for easy results and short term gains are the biggest factors taking us farther from the Mool Siddhant or basics of life. Idea is to keep the life simple, activate your inner self, take self control, and create a state of yoga, which is self harmony. So, in this video, we are going to rediscover a powerful and inspiring mantra that brings back the essential elements of our soul or our body chakras. So, let's begin. The Gayatri Mantra first appeared in the Rig Veda, an early Vedic text written between 1100 and 1700 BC. It is stated in the Upanishads as a significant ritual and in Bhagavad Gita as a poem of the divine. It is a belief that chanting Gayatri Mantra firmly establishes the mind, and if people carry on his or her life and do the work that is destined, our life will be full of joy and happiness. Don't forget to like and share our work and subscribe to stay tuned on our upcoming work. Gayatri, also known as Savitri, is the mother of all scriptures or the Vedas. She bestows pure thoughts on anyone who worships her. Gayatri has 5 faces, and they represent the 5 principles of life. She is the embodiment of all the goddesses. She has 9 descriptions. They are Om, Bhu, Bhuva, Swaha, Tat, Savitur, Varenyam, Bhargo, Devasya. Mother Gayatri nourishes and protects every being, and she channelizes our senses in the proper direction. Dhimahi means meditation. We pray to her to inspire us with good intelligence. Dhiyo yo naha prachodayat. We request her to shower blessings on us for everything we need. Thus, Gayatri is a complete prayer for protection, nourishment, and liberation. Reciting the Gayatri Mantra not only decontaminates the chanter but the listener as well. So let's listen to the mantra in its proper pronunciation.
Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo nah prachodayat.
A direct English translation of Gayatri Mantra reads like: we meditate on the glory of the Creator, who has created the universe, who is worthy of worship, who is the embodiment of knowledge and light, who is the remover of all sin and ignorance. May He enlighten our intellect. So the literal meaning of Gayatri Mantra reads like: O Divine Mother, our hearts are filled with darkness. Please make this darkness distant from us and promote illumination within us. So comment in this video if you were able to recite Gayatri Mantra in its most correct form, or even comment if you are facing any difficulty in the pronunciation. We'll surely try to help you out. While chanting the Gayatri Mantra, you should always close your eyes and should try to concentrate on every word and understand their meaning. each word or even the sound should be uttered correctly, as it should be. Although it can be chanted at any time of the day, it is suggested that it is better to chant the mantra in the morning as well as in the night hours before sleeping.